Oh, buddy.
This is Ben, and this is his 79 series.
Can't quite see the wheels yet.
He was the lucky Shed Life Club winner of the spending spree. Macca has decided to throw on his work boots and help him assemble his Land Cruiser with his dream modifications.
I just don't know what to say.
This is a bit of a bonus episode for you guys to see the finished product.
Welcome to a little bonus episode. Ben here, Shed Life Club member, absolute legend. How you going, mate?
Good, mate.
It's a man of many words. And so you're from Mackay.
Correct.
You won the $15,000 spending spree.
Believe so.
Legend.
No brainer where he's spending it.
A good, large portion of it at one of the best fab shops in Brisbane.
The world.
The world. Okay. So what are we doing today, mate? What'd you order?
Bullbar, snorkel, and some custom sliders if they work.
Custom sliders, so we're going to make them today. Also, we've got the best wheels in the world.
KMCs.
You know it. And they are the...
Messes, I believe.
Yeah, we got the billet bad boys going on this. I don't think I've seen a set of billets on a cruiser yet. I don't even know if you can get them.
I have. Someone beat me to it.
Ah, damn it. All right, there's one.
And they've
coming.
been clear coated.
And they've been clear coated by fat bars, so they're going to last forever. What else? We got the Harrop lockers, which we're probably not going to put in today, but we'll auto Sparky. There you go. So he knows how to wire them up. Yeah. I guess let's have a look around your car and how it is now. You're running. So these tyres are going on the new KMCs.
Yep. So these tyres are going on the KMCs. 4-inch Dobinson's lift, just the shockies and the springs. All Superior arms and sway bar spacers.
That's why he didn't get the Superior stuff, because he's already got the best in there.
Look at one of them billet drag links.
So we got the
Clear views.
Clear views. Much going on inside. Oh, this is the old dash. Is
Yeah,
this,
the old tin dash.
Is this a pre-DPF?
Sure is.
Ah, nice.
First of the V8s.
So you've changed the bonnet?
Yep.
Yeah, nice.
Changed the bonnets, had a full open door respray. Same with the chassis. Chassis got done a while ago.
Is that a snap-on?
Yep.
Snap-on gear shifter. Canopy, big tray.
TC boxes, 2 weeks old. Picked it up the other week.
So you got the exhaust. So this is going to be our next issue with the sliders. We'll work that out soon. And
Yeah. GSL 4-inch, 5-inch from the turbo to 4-inch straight through with a muffler.
got the muffler in there for the legality purposes. Dual antennas.
CB radio, and then your AM/FM one.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, we got GME. We got a hybrid. We got GME and Uniden.
Only ones I can buy at the time.
Okay.
GME ones are better, but
Oh, there you go. You've heard it from
better.
the man himself. He's tested them. I'm a GME man.
yeah.
TJ's has a Uniden in it, actually.
Oh, we got GME on the other car.
GSL crossover pipe.
Yeah, or
Intake.
and airbox.
Airbox.
Yep, tuned as well. Yeah.
Cool.
200 horsepower. the
Beauty.
wheels.
That's all you need.
Yeah.
100%. Anymore, you just brake diffs. Mate, we're going to get stuck into your car. What do you reckon, Tom?
Sounds good.
Yeah, Tom's keen.
Let's make it fat.
Let's make it fat. Being a club member, mate, you can actually win this Navara, so... Old TJ's nav, so you may as well take this for a burn, because we're going to need your car. Could be yours one day.
Could be.
Yeah, Mr. Tom, what's the plan?
Yeah, you are my apprentice today. The roles have been reversed. So Mac is usually bossing me around, but we get to boss Mac around. And just show everyone the boots you got on.
The only other people that have gotten me into work boots has been Superior, so consider yourself special.
Wow, I'm so lucky you can fly without OH&S, mate.
Oh, look who's turned up just in time to fit up some wheels, mate.
Oh, I don't think so, mate.
We got Custom Wheelhouse. Apparently has a wedding, but he's here.
Oh, lucky you, hey? Custom wheelhouse, but doesn't fit B-Box. Nah.
No,
Not on Fridays anyway.
not on Fridays. This bloke, what a guy. Oh, big strong Aussie boy. I've seen you lift that wheel. Show us how it's done. Oh, yeah. Woo! Yeah, see, Chris. Thanks for nothing, mate. What a loser.
I wish I had a strap that would tie these in and not get loose.
You wouldn't happen to have a torque strap, would you?
The one strap for me.
What a sick guy.
They are actually really good, these straps.
It may not be the one strap for me if it's not long enough. I really need some tie downs in this tray. It's not going anywhere, mate.
All right, we're gonna get these stripped and the new wheels fit up. So, let's do it. First piece of the puzzle, Tom. We have got the bull bar. Tell us about it.
I can't believe bull bar's coming out of your mouth because it's not a bumper. So
It's not a bumper.
No.
But hey, it's not my car.
triple hoop, 79 series bar. We make them for the pre-DPF, the DPF models, and now the new facelift model. We integrate these laser lamp lights. They're very high quality, high output lights. So if you don't want to run spotties on top, you can get away with just running these because they're really, really bright. Winch hole access, it's pretty simple. We like it. Still yet to see a Roo bend one of these bars, and we've been selling for about 4 years now. So
It definitely looks solid, mate.
yeah,
That's for
yeah.
sure.
If you have a look from behind, it's all internally braced.
Yeah.
The recovery points, and they're rated as well. So yeah.
It's a bit of thought gone into it, eh?
Always. If you remember Jamin on his 78 series, he also had this exact bar on his car as well. So
These bars are actually made here out the back by the boys. Fully Australian made. Pretty cool.
well, obviously with the single cab, because they've got the fuel tank underneath the cab, we run into issues with the exhaust routing on the external of the chassis. It makes it very hard for us to put brackets on it. So we're going to cut the middle one off a dual cab. They'll just be dual cab length because we obviously can't, where they finish, which would be here, there's an error. Yeah.
It's a big
There's a
ass
massive
exhaust in the
4-inch
way.
exhaust. That makes things difficult.
Yeah, so we had the same issue with Jamin's on the
Jamin's car.
78.
And at that stage, I just gave Mac and Jamin the bits to the puzzle and
Yeah.
said, you work it out.
Yeah, we sorted it out. See, I'm lucky today I don't have to do that.
And now, funnily enough,
It took us like a week. It's going to take you guys like an hour.
funnily enough, we actually make sliders for troopies now. So
Ah, there you go.
Mac Preston designed and certified.
We have Mac Preston certified Troopy sliders and angled 79 sliders. You buy me
Whatever,
lunch
mate.
or something?
Yeah, maybe buy your lunch. Yeah, that's cool.
Oh, that's a nice touch. Bit of carpet to work on. I like that, Darcy. Builds these sliders.
Brody.
Brody, how are you, mate?
Yeah, good mate, yourself?
So everything's made here by the boys, so it's very cool. So they're just quickly modifying these up, and we reckon we'll be on. Let's cross our fingers and toes, kids. All right, we've got a couple of slide issues. So it looks like it's going to be a bit long. That bracket might have to move back a little bit. Joy's having a fab shop out the back. We can fix it up.
All work, no pleasure. I ain't here to make friends.
Bit of clear coating going on here.
The sprinters go 100 miles. From the ground with me to the clouds, never coming down. That's the crown on me.
So much for your wedding, mate.
Oh mate, I wouldn't do it for anybody else. Hey?
Hey, you're top bloke.
Yeah.
What are these things you're selling, mate? So these are in your Raptor, aren't they?
Yes, they are. Yep. Perch collars. Pretty much a leveling kit for the Raptors. New next gen Ranger Raptors. Preloads your spring 28mm, which lifts the front up about 45 to 50mm and gives it level, and you get your factory rides still.
And where can we buy them, mate?
Anywhere and everywhere, all over Australia. Reach out to your local tyre shops, dealers. Yeah, they can get in contact with me and we can ship them out.
Traveling, mate. Same day sliders.
We're winning. Yeah, stop advertising that.
Look at that. More sliders.
More sliders. Not same day.
Ah.
It's a 4-week wait at the moment.
4-week wait. Nah, it's coming up really good. I've figured out this gimbal now, TJ. It works. Mode 3. Full bars on. We're cutting out, well, I'm not, but Darcy's cutting out the snorkel, and I've just bolted the wheels back on. Wheels are tasty. Then we can bang the sliders on and
We're done.
job done. Beers on.
Righto beers, let's go.
Righto beers.
Something I also forgot to mention is the coating on the bull bar. We coat this in what they call pro texture. So
Is that like what you put on your skin? You're very smooth, mate.
no, I don't put pro texture on.
Oh,
But it's super scratch resistant. So this is what all our bars come standard with, and we just find that it's a very, very good coating and will last a very, very long time. So
the same coating that Brendan actually did on my intercooler pipes in the K-Truck.
yes.
And for that same reason, it's a part that's going in and out and getting handled a lot, like a bull bar's copping bugs and stuff a lot. So it rocks. Made sense to go that hard textured finish. It comes out really nice. It's really smooth. It's not like a lumpy finish or anything. How many big black shafts have you played with, Darcy?
Oh, probably one too many at this stage.
Oh, stop it. You tell Tom played with a couple in his time. Look how he holds it. Oh, no.
Only when you're around.
I can't wait for the polish. This is Brendan Fat Coatings 101.
Where are we?
It's building an extremely cool GU with a FTE in it, so that is soon to come. Stay tuned to Fat Coatings.
It's too much vigorous wiping going on. I'll rub the powder off in a minute.
Yeah, it's going to be no powder left on it.
So unfortunately, because of health and safety, Ben couldn't come and help. He's chomping at the bit. He's a apprentice mechanic and auto legend. And where he's standing, he can't quite see the wheels yet. I know that's what he's chomping at the bit to see it. We're gonna keep it a bit of a surprise. You know how we put this wheel on top? Because everything's a two-man job. Sure. Make sure you give me eye contact. That'd be great.
Nice work, boys. That looks fantastic.
Moment of truth.
Oh, I can't see you. Hang on, where are you? You excited?
I'm very excited. Dog 2000.
I can see you jumping on the video.
Yeah, every now and again. I just don't know what to say.
The 5-inch snorkel, sliders now, so you're not going to destroy everything. Yeah, no rules of getting past that thing, mate.
Looks good. It actually looks, it come on really good.
Yeah, that's off it.
What's your thoughts on being on a YouTube?
Is it everything you thought it would be?
Completely different to what I thought it would be.
It's a bit more work than everyone thinks, eh?
A little bit.
Alright, we're all done. See you on the next one, and yeah, be in the Shed Life Club.